Hello children, I am Sumati madam going to teach social study for standard 3 students. So children, take out the book, page number 83, lesson 14, Delhi. All of you know Delhi is the capital of India. Now it is known as National Capital Territory. In 1991, it is declared as the National Capital Territory. Before 1991, it was known as Union Territory of Delhi. It is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on the other three sides. It is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna. Delhi is divided into two parts, one New Delhi, another one Old Delhi. Now we'll discuss the history of Delhi. Delhi is one of the oldest living city in the world. The city of Delhi is more than 1,000 years old. Many powerful empires like Delhi Sultans, Tughlaqs, there are great Mughals, those who ruled over India, they served as Delhi as the capital. One famous Mughal emperor Shah Jahan built his capital at Delhi and called it Shah Jahanabad. So it means he changed the name of Delhi is Shah Jahanabad. Now this part of Delhi means the Shah Jahanabad is now known as Old Delhi. New Delhi was built by the British. They shifted their capital from Kolkata to Delhi. See that green box, did you know 2 green boxes are there? Put tick mark and write there learn. Now we'll discuss the government of India and Delhi. All the main offices of the government of India are located in New Delhi. The President of India also lives in New Delhi. Where he lives, it is known as Rashtrapati Bhavan. One beautiful garden is there in Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is called Mughal Garden. The Prime Minister office is in South Block. Or the Department of Indian Government work from the building around the South Block. There is also Parliament House, where the session of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are held. Apart from that, the government of other countries have their office in Delhi. They are known as High Commissions and Embassies. Now Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory. It has also a legislative assembly headed by a chief minister and other minister like other states of India. The main thing that is the tourist attraction. Tourists from all over the world, they visit Delhi every year because it has many ancient monuments like red forts, Jama Masjids made by red sandstone, and it was built by the great Emperor Shah Jahan. On 15th August, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort. Some other interesting place to visit in Delhi are Qutub Minar, a majestic tower built by Qutbuddin Aibak, Jantar Mantar, Lodi Garden, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Nehru Planetarium, Dolls Museum, the National Zoological Park, Apughar, Rajghat, Santiban, etc. So please, children, underline the red words. Two famous samadhis, that is known as Rajghat, the samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, and Santivan, samadhi of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Another one place, that is India Gate, the Amar Jawan Jyoti, burns all the time in the memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their life for our country. Several places of worships are also there, because people belongs to various religion, they live there in Delhi. So worship places are Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, Birla Mandir, Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple, and St. James Church. You also underline all the red words. Delhi boasts a broad road, very good hotels, flyovers, modern sports complexes, shopping malls. It is also well connected by air, rail and road to the rest of the country. Now we will discuss the climate. Delhi has an extreme climate. Extreme climate means it is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Lu, a hot dry wind, blows during the summer, and it rains during the monsoon months of July, August and September. Clothes. People of Delhi, they wear all kinds of clothes because people from all states of India lives in Delhi. Most men wear trousers, shirts. Women wear sari, salwar, kameez. People from all religions and the regions live and work in Delhi. So all the major festivals are also celebrated there. So I have finished the lesson. Did you know? See the green box. Did you know? Tick mark. I now know. Write down there. Fill up. Words to remember. Answer in one word. Question answer in one word. The question will come: a building, statue or column built to remind people of a famous person or event. The answer is monument. An underground railway system. Answer is metro. Pull up a flag on a flagpole. Answer is hoist. Structure built in memory of a person. Answer is samadhi. Now we will discuss the exercises. True, false, fill in the blanks, answer the following. True, false. Delhi is the capital of India. True. Number 2. Delhi is situated on the bank of the river Hooghly. False. Number 3. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Gandhiji. True. Haryana is a neighboring state of Delhi. True. Delhi has a moderate climate. False. Now fill in the blanks. Number 1. At the time of Emperor Shah Jahan, Delhi was called Shahjahanabad. Number 2. The beautiful garden of the Rashtrapati Bhavan are called Mughal Garden. Number 3. Amar Jawan Jyoti burns in memory of soldiers. Number 4. The Loo is a hot and dry wind that blows during summer. Number 5. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag from Red Fort. Now answer the following. Question number 1. Where is Delhi located? New Delhi is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna and bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on the 3 other sides. Number 2 question. Which are the 2 parts that make up Delhi? How are they different? 2 parts that make up Delhi are Old Delhi and New Delhi. Emperor Shah Jahan built his capital at Delhi, which is now known as Old Delhi. New Delhi was built by British when they shifted their capital from Kolkata to Delhi. Question number 3. Where does the President of India live? The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Number 4 question. Mention some of the tourist attractions of Delhi. Some of the tourist attractions of Delhi are Jantar Mantar, Lodi Garden, India Gate, Apu Ghar, Lotus Temple, etc. You can write also other tourist attractions from the book. Number 5 question. What kind of climate does Delhi have? Delhi has an extreme climate. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. A hot, dry wind called Loo blows during the summer months. It rains during July, August and September. Question number 6. What kind of clothes do the people of Delhi wear? People of Delhi wear all kinds of clothes because people from all states of India live here. Most men in Delhi wear trousers and shirts and most women wear sari or salwar kameez. So children, I have discussed all. Answer the following question. In copy, you write answer the following question with answer. Now see the multiple choice question. Question number 1. New Delhi was built by answer British. Number 2. The Prime Minister office is in answer South Block. Number 3. The government of other countries have their office in Delhi that are known as embassies. Number 4. Shantivan is the Samadhi of Jawaharlal Nehru. Hope you have understood the lesson. So all of you read the lesson, underline the red words. Did you know? I now know. Then what's to remember? And complete exercise all true false. Fill in the blanks and write question and answer in the copy. Thank you, children.